Out here today, back on board with Mr. X. A couple other guys who I've ridden with once before. A couple of good mates of mine. Should be a real good day's riding.
It's on tonight, so hold on, 'cause we're about to light it up.
It's really hard to motovlog while you're riding a dirt bike. There's so many other things that take your focus away. You know, like staying alive. It's pretty full on, and as you can tell, I'm fucking so out of breath. Been riding for all of about 20 minutes. No one's got any fucking idea where we're going. But that's one of the best parts about riding a dirt bike. You just never got any idea where you're going. You're always, to some degree, absolutely and completely hopelessly lost. I don't have a great lot to say today. I'm just trying to keep my mind on the task of staying on the bike. So I don't expect this is going to be a very good motovlog. But hopefully you guys can find some enjoyment in just the sheer beauty that's out here. You know, it's just one of those things you simply must do at some stage in your life to understand where we're coming from. You have to do it more than at some stage in your life. Realistically, you'd have to do it for about 12 months. But be warned, if you do it for 12 months, it'll get its hooks in you and you'll never be able to give it up. Just like riding road bikes, it gets in your blood and you just can't get it out. Don't know if the camera angle on this is going to be any good. I've changed it from last time. It's sort of similar to how I have it set up on my road bike now. So we won't know if it's any good until I plug it into the computer. This whole thing might be a vicious waste of time. Hopefully not. So I love making videos for you guys. Oh, Mr. X nearly come unstuck. It's good to get out and ride with some guys you don't always ride with every now and then, because they challenge you to do new things. Mr. X nearly going down again. This is crazy. Hopefully I just filled Mr. X in. He doesn't look too angry, so I think I missed him. That's unfortunate. I'll have to try again. So yeah, the channel's been doing fairly well lately. I think we've got 6 new subscribers in the last sort of half a week or so. I signed up the channel a Twitter account, which is something I said I'd never do, but I don't know, it seems to work. It's getting a lot more subscribers, and good subscribers, you know, ones who actually watch the videos, not just sub for sub. This is an awesome piece of trail. Would you look at this shit? He sat there for like a minute trying to figure out what the best way through that puddle was. And then sure as shit rides through it and it's about an inch deep. We're going to head back to the car now. One of the boys has got to take off. That's fine, sometimes you can only get out for a quick ride. That's what riding's all about, it's getting out when you can for however long you can. It's been an awesome ride. Only fell off a couple of times, didn't break anything like I did a couple of months ago, so that's a good thing. Hopefully I get home tonight and the footage is good and the audio quality is good, and I'll throw together what little vlog I can get, seeing as I've said all of about 15 words in the last 2 hours. Swap bikes with my mate. He's on my 310, I've got his 511. This thing is an absolute fucking weapon. I've been on it all of 10 seconds and you can just feel the fucking power this thing's putting out. It's actually not as uncomfortable as I thought it would be. I thought going from a small bike, a relatively small bike, mid-sized bike, to a big 511 like this, you know, you'd think that that'd be a really awkward, uncomfortable kind of feeling. It really doesn't feel that bad. It's a beast. Anyway, not my bike. Better not rake the piss out of it too much. Nearly back at the car now, so I'll sign off. Again, I apologise for the shitty quality of moto vlog I offered today. I have my reasons, but don't let me give you any excuses. So anyway, guys, keep an eye on the channel. There's going to be a lot more where that came from, and see you next time. Thanks for watching.
Break away, push me away, make me fall just to see.
Oh shit!